Hey y'all, welcome to Chaz's Cuisines. Today we're making lobster fried rice. So first we're going to start in a preheated wok. You're going to add some olive oil. Once your olive oil is heated up, we're going to go ahead and scramble some eggs. Once your eggs are scrambled to your liking, go ahead and remove them. Now in that same pan, we're going to go ahead and wipe it out and we're going to go ahead and cook our lobster. I added some oil again and I'm searing my lobster tails that aren't cooked yet. Now once that is cooked, we're going to add our pre-cooked lobster claws. Once that's cooked, go ahead and remove that. In preheated olive oil, add some onions. Saute your onions until they're a little soft and caramelized. Next, we're going to add in some frozen carrots and peas. Now this is optional, but I love it. Once your vegetables are softened, go ahead and add in some cooled cooked white rice. Chop up your rice to make sure it's not clumpy. We're going to mix our rice in with our vegetables until it's completely incorporated. My burner is on a low. Now we're going to go ahead and season with some fried rice season mix that I got. Also some onion powder. Next we're going to season with a little bit of soy sauce. Also I'm going to add a drizzle of oyster sauce. Add some unsalted butter. Mix that in really well. Let that fry for about 2 minutes. And keep stirring it so it doesn't stick. Now add your cooked egg back in. I'm also going to add in some fresh scallions. And then of course, add your lobster. Give that a quick mix. Let it fry for an additional 30 seconds and you can serve just like this. If you decide to recreate this dish, be sure to tag me on Instagram at Chaz's Cuisines.